Hello, this is Mikołaj Kuta, aka Splitter. Today I'm showing off a new project I'm working on. I decided to document each week of progress on this game with a short video similar to the ones done by Wallfire team in the past. The goal of this is to create a dragon you can fly around, spew fire, hunt for animals, and main focus is the animation of the player's character. What I want from my animation system is to be able to have a blend between keyframed animations and a physical model that hopefully will add natural motion to the animation, especially during interactions with other characters and environment. So, for example, when you fly and you hit a wall, you smack against it with full ragdoll physics before you resume your flight. Or you can get hurt on your wing and make it affect your flight by not being able to flap it as well as you used to. But I also want to add procedural animations so the character responds intelligently rather than just becoming limp when anything happens. So, today's update is shows the basic engine running. It's my Litterbox engine. I decided to split into smaller libraries. I'm also using a simple multipulse rendering that I worked on for a couple of weeks in my free time, and I have created an animation blend tree that allows me to blend multiple animations into one. In this case, I have four rough walking animations that I combine with one idle animation that I combine based on speed and the direction of walking into one. So, for example, let's see this. So we have a forward walking animation, which then blends to the side walking animation, the back, and the player right now turns along with it. I can of course change how it all works. So for example, now this turning is a lot faster and it always walks forward. And it's fully customizable. So if I want the player to gain and lose speed very slowly, I can start with a very slow speed increment. And so changing directions is now a lot harder. So the main focus is just the animation tree that I created for right now. So far I have only made these legs. Hopefully in the future I will make a proper dragon with all the needed animations. But this shows a couple of things, that the animation tree is already quite parameterizable, as in I can adjust any animations and blend weights according to whatever variables I want to, and I can blend between them as much as I want. So for example, now we're gaining speed fast, but turning is very slow. So first it's gonna walk sideways, and only then it will start walking forward. We can do the same here, and as you can see, I'm always facing the same side, and it will try to follow as best it can without actually turning the body too much. Okay, now, and so far it's just this. There are still some couple of problems you can probably see here on this arm that I have because of the multipulse technique that I'm using. I'm still not sure how to fix that, but hopefully eventually I will. And basically I just hope to create a very cool dragon game as a proper where you control a proper dragon. So similar to one of my past projects, which unfortunately I had to cancel because I just didn't have enough experience back then, neither in creating animation trees or in creating proper game engines. Now this engine is much more appropriate. It is component based, so it's very easy to add and remove components from entities and to iterate on stuff. So yeah, this is all. See ya.